Yeah, sex is better than having a confrontation with somebody. Confrontation can possibly get ugly. Somebody can get hurt seriously. Somebody could lose money. Somebody could lose sleep, lose weight. A lot of things can go bad. So sex is definitely better than a confrontation with another person, especially if they was a friend of yours, family member, somebody close, or just a stranger that you never really got a chance to meet, process information with, or whatever. So it's just a lot of things in this world are bad, but there are a few things that's good. And I try to focus sometimes on the stuff that feels good to you, even though it may not be necessarily good for you. None of this stuff is for kids. So kids, no sex, no confrontations, no being disrespectful to your parents or teachers or leaders or anybody. All right.